back to the Adjunct's kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks. My name's Chad Seeger, and today we're going to be making something that you may wonder where it's been all your life: fried pork chop sandwiches. The ingredients for this dish are pork breadcrumbs, rolls, eggs, flour, salt and pepper, seasoning, and cooking oil. Mayo and pickles are optional. The steps to making this dish are to prep your ingredients and then prepare your coating bowls. Heat pan and coat the chops. Then fry the chops, form sandwiches, and serve. To get started, you're going to want some pork chops. So you can either buy pre-cut pork chops, or like I prefer, a pork loin and then make your own. So you're going to want about an inch, a little over an inch. Nice size. There you go. Now that's a nice size pork chop. If necessary, clean your pork chop. Make sure there's no sinew on the edges. Next, you're going to want your coating bowls prepped, so start with flour. Next, we have to make our egg wash. The last one is the breadcrumbs, which we're going to add our seasoning to. At this point, we can throw the pork chops right into the flour. Over at the stove, get a large pan up to medium-high. Arrange your coating bowls: flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs. As your pan heats up, give it a good coating of olive oil. Once your oil is warm, it's time to get cooking. What that means is take your pork chops and dip them into the egg wash. Then place them and coat them in breadcrumbs. Finally, carefully lower them into the hot oil. After about 2 to 3 minutes, flip them. If it looks like they've soaked up all the oil, feel free to add some more. After another couple minutes, they're done, so hit them with salt. There's a bunch of ways to serve these sandwiches. I'm putting pickles on a mayoed roll. Beautiful. Where do you even get a fried pork chop sandwich? I don't know, but in a case like this, just make your own and be glad that you did. Well, thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.